Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are announcing the 2 winners for those $50 gift cards that I talked about on Friday for ForJars lids. So if your name is called, I will comment on your comment in Friday's video in case you don't see this one. But when you do see it, shoot me an email. It's thehomesteadinghousewife@gmail.com. I have it down in the description box, and that way I can send you your code for your $50 gift card for ForJars lids. And if you did not win today, there are still other people doing this collaboration that are giving away $50 gift cards. Plus September 1st, Prepper Potpourri is picking one comment from the different channels that were in the collaboration, and it's going to be a $100 Visa gift card. So don't lose hope yet, but I am so excited to announce, and I am sorry if I mispronounce your name, Lacey Swafford and Bridget Bolt are the 2 winners. So congratulations, shoot me an email and I can get those gift cards to you. I am so happy and thankful that you guys enjoyed that video and enjoyed this collaboration. This was so much fun, and I was so excited to be able to do a giveaway on my channel for the first time ever. It was so exciting. It's like I won and I didn't, but it's like I did. So again, Lacey Swafford and Bridget Bolt are the 2 winners. I cannot wait to hear from you. I will be looking for your emails. I hope everyone has an absolutely wonderful Monday, and I will see you all on my next video. Thanks for watching.